There's something interesting out in front of City Hall for the city of Wichita Falls. They have this flower bed that's the shape of Texas, and they went with pentas out here for their annual color, and they went with kind of a red, white, and blue color scheme here. Although the blue is actually purple because there's not a lot of flowers that are true blue. But the red pentas look incredible. They look amazing. They're tall. They're full. The whites are a little shorter, and they look really nice. See there. But the purples look horrible. Let's take a look here. I mean, this part of the bed just looks really, really bad. There's a few petunias mixed in there, but I think those came up voluntarily from seeds from a previous year. So let's ignore those. We're focusing on this here. So obviously the red is the most vigorous because they're the tallest. Those plants are like 18 to 24 inches tall. The whites are more of the 12 to 16 inch height, but still look really good. But why are the purples looking so bad? Irrigation seems to be uniform throughout the bed. They've got drip system and it's actually wet right now, so it's working. Are the purples just not as heat tolerant as the whites and reds? I don't see any sign of pests like spider mites or thrips or anything like that that may have caused the purples to do worse. So irrigation looks fine. The disease and pest don't seem to be an issue. Maybe there's something going on with the soil, but because it's happening to only one specific color, I don't think it's an issue with the soil. I think that the purples just aren't as heat tolerant as the others because this year has been especially hot and especially difficult with many, many days over 100 degrees and over 110 degrees, that maybe we're just seeing a variety of penta that just isn't as tough to the heat here. Definitely something worth keeping an eye on. And by the way, we did not supply these flowers. I don't know where the city sourced these flowers from.